a technical analysis on TSLA, Tesla, a company that auto manufacturer and consumer cyclical sector. And we have this primary trend line here off the 2019 lows, plenty of continuous reactionary lows to help validate that. Alongside this hidden secondary trend line here, plenty of continuous reactionary highs and reactionary lows to help validate that as well. And we've effectively broke down, came back out, back tested it, came to retest the lows of this primary trend line, came back out, back tested it 2 times here, and we've effectively rejected it here. And I believe a truly solid break below that 643.77 price support off this. Really, it's just sort of a guide, not an actual price support, but just a guide to where the split and the breakdown begins off this primary trend line here. And again, as you can measure it here, you know, the very next day, if we were to potentially drop down 7.5%, that would be a key testing support, in my opinion, key inflection point. And if we solidly have a solid, especially take out these previous May lows here, we take those lows out and put in a solid daily candle close, that'll spell for a sell signal, in my opinion. Maybe a potential back test and a 16% drop, at least a double-digit 16% drop down to 543.51 price support off this primary trend line, which is it's 20% from the trend line. Yeah, that's about a good 14%, near 6%, near 16%. If I could sort of manage this right here and have it stepped above. A little bit above, yeah, so it's close to a 16% drop down to 543.51 price support. And really what's so significant about the charts now that stand out, in my opinion, is the 50-day moving average completely puncturing through this 200-day moving average here in a continuation bearish pattern of a death cross. And that's exactly what that is there. So again, just further evidences and further evidence that continues to mount itself up, with negative and bearish divergences continuing to construct on all 3 indicators now on a crackdown breakdown below. They're both zero lines. This is a bearish stance in all momentum indicators, and maybe a recon to its zero line, maybe we don't. And really what we have is potential confirmed divergence here on the RSI, and that would be a really steep negative divergent sign there, and could spell some more selling there. Take away all these lines, and really what are some of the more significant things that I've mentioned here in Tesla is really off the monthly interval. Everything was here off the daily interval, each candle representing a day. We'll go down, zoom out on the monthly here, each candle representing a month. And what we've done is we've effectively put in a beautiful, not the most well-defined, but a evening doji star continuation bearish pattern, especially if we would have got that solid close. But it really does remind me of it. And that's exactly what it looks like. Not the most well-defined, but as you can see, after this month breakdown, we've had nothing but breakdowns since, and you know, could cause a stir in breaking this trend line here. So we'll see how that plays out. Keep you updated if I see anything new, and hit that like, subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. But these are the key levels to watch here. Crack down below that 643.47. It would most likely be time to get out and a solid daily candle close, and I'll keep you updated if I see a crack down below of any significance. Down to 405.18 for a 33% drop, 332.65 for a 45% drop, down to 272.13 for a 55% drop, 185.57 here for a 69% drop, and if things get real bad, 77.06 here for an 87% drop, which will clear out a massive air pocket. So again, we'll see what happens. Huge volume map price indicators up in this region, and we'll see how it plays out. Hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoy the video.